Now, Sudhir, this section is about leadership, right? And you, of course, come with 25 years of experience, having handled enormous size of teams and everything. You've had your shares of fun and the difficult decisions that you had to make. Talking from that perspective, what is the most difficult part of being a leader?
In current scenario, attrition.
Okay.
How to make sure that people continue in your organization,
Right.
And because I'm here new, luckily that much kind of attrition is not in my organization,
Right.
but I see for a leader now they need to make sure that their team, their core team remains with them
True.
in this difficult situation.
So keeping them under one roof is...
yeah.
Okay. What are the most important decisions you make as a leader for your organization?
So for my team, I need to make sure that I hire good resources
Okay.
and their knowledge, their skill sets are aligned with the organization goals. So that is important for me.
Okay. Interesting. What are a few resources you would recommend to someone looking to gain insight into becoming a leader?
So next leader kind of, you're talking
Right,
about next leader.
right.
So first step is to understand business requirement.
Okay.
What is business requirement? Because there are various types, NBFC or manufacturing, chemical industry. So understand business. Once you know business, you can, give them better solutions. And then most important for any leader is to appreciate or, kind of not only success, but even you to appreciate efforts. If somebody is taking efforts, but he is not successful, you should not say, no, he's not good, or when you're rating and all, you should not give him less rating. If he has done efforts, make sure he's awarded.
Appreciated. True. I think that is a big motivational factor there for a person, right?
And these people will continue with you. Otherwise, people will
True.
leave.
True. Absolutely. How do you encourage creative thinking within your teams or within your organization?
So basically, for creative thinking, understand, listening. Listening is required.
Right.
Because there are many ideas, give them some kind of awards, which is happening, HR and
The
all
rewards and recognition are, of
is
course, a
giving
part of it.
the best employee of this month or next
Right.
month. But at the same time, you have to listen first. And not only in writing, you give big, kind of first leader should understand what is his idea,
Right.
give them feedback, and as a collaborative, it should work.
True.
Yeah, you have to bring it, make sure that in not individual, but the group suggests some kind of a good suggestion and then
Right.
proceed.
Right. So, Sudhir, my next question is, what is your secret sauce to your success? You've handled from the very first day of your work, handling the entire factory, to today having worked with governments, having worked with private organizations, having led large team sizes. What would you say to us if we had to ask you what is your secret sauce, or what is your secret
So
here?
my secret sauce, I already gave that
Okay.
Understand business requirement, expectation management, give respect to your employees, encourage them, and be, in case of any trouble time, you should lead. Should not
Right.
fall back or just kind of naming somebody, or it should not happen. It should it's a kind of a team.
True.
you need to be
Leading
with the
from
team.
front is
Yeah, you need to
then
lead from the front. Yeah.
becomes important. True. What advice would you give someone who's going into a leadership position?
First, make sure that you know the subject.
True. I mean, that would be the foundation. Yeah.
Once you know the subject, proceed with clear mind. Not like for promotion or for increment. Nothing. You need to make sure that project. You need to whatever you're handling. In and out. Everything is on paper or in your mind, and then proceed. You'll be leader. It's not very difficult. Whenever if you going for even kind of tour or something, you check, right?
Check, yeah. Plan ahead.
Plan ahead. So similarly, that's your personal. Even in office also, you need to plan for a day, today and next day. And I always, wherever I join, I have given my management my 180 days plan.
Oh,
And
interesting.
if somebody comes to me and tells me, no, this is new project, please implement. I say, this is not in 180 days plan. If you insist, this is business requirement, we'll move
Adjust
on.
it.
Adjust it in that.
Somewhere there.
Yeah.
True. Interesting. Great. The next section is about you, right? More personal. with you, more of a rapid fire round. I'm going to ask you questions where you give me short, quick, one-word answers also. One thing you love about your job?
Environment.
Environment.
Yeah.
Okay.
The surrounding, in the sense, people with you work.
Work with. Okay.
Salary is the last. Salary I've never asked in my throughout my.
Okay.
When I not changed many jobs, but whenever I
Right.
changed, and I never.
So-
the
so
work environment is important for me.
For you. Okay. Right. Your favorite destination you've traveled to?
Goa. Started my career and
Yeah, I'm sure you'll want to go again and again.
yeah.
Your favorite food?
I prefer home food.
Okay. Any cuisine or anything?
Cuisine, I prefer Thai curry, and
Okay.
but I'm more like homely food.
Homely food. Interesting. Tell us about a book that inspired you the most. Which book would that be?
Ikigai.
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 Okay. I have to read this book myself. Who would your role model be?
See, I moved from private sector to government sector, and I realized what all difficulties, kind of. So, in last few years, I think Nandan Nilekani is something. The way he moved from corporate to government, he's back in corporate, but at the same time, he's
True.
also helping on many. Aadhaar was it's a huge in India is a huge country. How kind of and you're so is
A monstrous task.
Monstrous task, yeah.
True. What do you splurge on?
Books.
Oh, okay. What, if you don't mind answering, what was your very first salary that you took?
4,000 rupees, 1993.
And was it a lot of money at that time?
That was not much because I was a trainee engineer and I was transferred from Mumbai to Goa for a short duration of say 6 months.
Right.
And you need to make sure your accommodation, everything in those 4,000.
Okay.
But after 6 months, yes, I got confirmation and they gave me all benefits, travel benefits, allowances. Hotel, but 4,000 was my first salary, and it was like I used to save around 125 rupees per month.
Oh, okay.
Rest all accommodation,
Was
food,
spent.
because everything was outside, right? Because you need to stay. We hired one flat, and then that kind of. So 125 was my saving. On that 125 rupees, I used to do something, kind of.
Interesting. One thing left to do.
Vipassana.
Vipassana
is a 14 days meditation.
Okay.
And you need to keep quiet and go through a proper inner engineering kind of thing. And when I was in SL Group that time, one of the promoter was involved in that, and they used to allow us to go for 14 days, but nobody gave me 14 days leave.
So that is
but
still...
it's a very amazing thing. That's what I've heard. One of my CIO colleague
did
that, and he's also part of that Vipassana. They call it Vipassana. It's in Nasik. It's in Gorai. It's some kind of a Buddhism way of inner engineering.
Interesting. I'm going to look that up. Okay, one love. Anything that you love?
Coding.
Oh, interesting. Okay. So Sudhir, if you were not the IT professional that you are, what would you have been?
I would have been in either IB or RAW.
In IB?
Intelligence Bureau or Research Analyzing.
Oh, so that fascinates you?
Yeah, that fascinates and really fascinates. So somehow I've done little bit working with them, even when I was with government.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Well, I hope you... No, in fact, you're an IT professional already. All right. I'm going to give you my next round of questions. Is two options. You have to select one, right? Between Twitter or Instagram?
Twitter.
Okay. LinkedIn or Facebook?
LinkedIn.
Cricket or football?
Football.
Oh. Physics or chemistry?
Physics.
Okay. Movies or music?
Music.
Okay. Weights or cardio?
Cardio.
Books or Kindle?
Books.
You did mention that. Early morning or late nighters?
Early morning.
Okay. iOS or Android?
Android.
Okay. Formals or casuals?
Casuals.
Okay, interesting. So we come to the last part of this interview. We'd like to know you as a person, how you were at different stages of your life. So thinking of Sudhir, how he was as a person when he was 18 years old.
So studying, and I was represented. I was playing hockey, so I represented district at district level for hockey.
Okay, so pretty much in studies
Sports
and,
and
sports.
sports.
And everything. Okay. By the time Sudhir touched 25.
So hardcore working for industry in production planning.
Interesting. And by the time you were 30?
I was traveling. I luckily, because my job allowed me to travel at various places. So working and traveling.
Interesting. All right. Well, Sudhir, thank you so much for sharing all of this. We got to know the professional side of you and the personal side of you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
sharing.
so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks.